What's going down, you guys? And hey, in this video, as you guys can see in the title, is I'm going to be teaching you guys the hot towel method. I've realized, I've already made this video, but this is back when I made the hot towel method video. I was like,
hot towel method is easy, and it is something that, to be honest, you should be doing on a daily basis.
It was like the first method video I ever made on this channel. So I have to make an updated version. There's a lot that I've learned, some key things that I need to tell you guys about the hot towel method, because I feel like a lot of you guys out there, y'all just doing the hot towel method because y'all see these other wavers on Instagram and YouTube doing this stuff. And y'all was like,
well, if they doing it, they got dope ways. Like, why wouldn't I do it? Because, if it works for them and you see their ways, I should do exactly what they doing.
Listen. I don't want you guys going ahead and only doing things, because you guys see other people doing it. I feel like it's very important for you guys to know the meaning behind it. And, we're gonna get into all. We're gonna get into all that. We're gonna get into all that in this video. So I guess let's just go ahead and let's get into the video. Alright, so before I go ahead and teach you guys how to do it, I feel like the very first thing we should do is actually tell you guys why us wavers do it. I feel like you guys should know, like why are these wavers going ahead and throwing hot towels in their head? Like, what's the purpose for that? One of the benefits of the hot towel method is that it opens your pores. Any type of heat opens up your pores, okay? So when we put the hot towel method, it opens up the pores in your scalp. Now, when you open up the pores in your scalp, this is where the health of your hair, the general health of your hair comes in. You guys that are putting all these unnatural products in your hair and things like that, I don't recommend it. It has no benefit for your hair, and it's not going to make your hair more healthier if it's unnatural. Now, if you go ahead and you use all natural products, then that's when the health of your hair is going to get better over time, because again, it's all natural. It's healthy for your hair. It's meant to be in your hair because it's natural. So all my products that I ever use is natural. I stopped using unnatural products. I don't like using unnatural products like S-Curl and different things like that, like how I told you guys to use in the past. I literally have no type of unnatural products. The 26 King Wavy Butter Moisturizer, this is all natural. The PB the Goat butters, those are natural. The wave cream, the Wavy Merch wave cream, that's natural. So is all the remix products. All remix products are natural. All remix products are natural. Even my GS by Sedora hair growth oil is coming soon. The reviews on it's coming soon for you guys. But even that is natural. All of my products that I ever use is natural. It's because when you're putting natural things in your hair, it's going to benefit your hair. It's going to make your hair more healthier. But that's basically why us wavers, we do the hot towel method. It's to open up the pores and then put natural products to benefit the general health of our hair. And it also just helps damp your hair a little bit, so it's just a little bit more easier to manage. It's not like putting too much water. It just puts just the right amount of water in your hair, especially for us straight hair wavers. When you're getting up in the morning and your hair is all compressed and all this, and your hairline all messed up, I used to use the hot towel method every single morning before I went to bed. And it was because my hairline would get all pushed down, and it was all crooked and everything, and the hot towel method just really helped. So for this hot towel method, there's basically going to be like 3 things that you're going to need, okay? Let me go ahead and tell you what these 3 things are. A brush is one of the things that you're going to need when doing the hot towel method. It's mostly because, you're going to need something to brush your hair with. You're using something, you're going to be putting a product in your hair, so you're going to need a brush. And if you guys are wondering what brush this is and you guys haven't watched my brush collection video, again, the brush collection video will be down in the description below if you guys want to check it out and see how many brushes I have. But this is the number 7 Torino blonde bristle. I can't really say it's a two-tone, but blonde bristle brush, curved. Of course, you already know I like curved brushes, it's just my preference. But yeah, just in case if you guys want to pick it up. Now, the second thing you guys are going to need is going to be the 360 wave cream, or any product that you have that is natural. And this is a natural product. Let me go ahead and prove it to you. Exactly what's in here is shea butter, beeswax, castor oil, sweet almond oil, vitamin E, and then the fragrance that he uses in here. Again, all natural. Everything that I just listed is natural and is going to benefit your hair and help your hair grow and be just healthier in general and stronger. And the third thing that you guys are going to need is, it's very important, is you're going to need a towel. I mean, of course, why wouldn't you need a towel? I mean, it's only right if it's the hot towel method. I mean, you're supposed to use a towel with the hot towel method, right? I mean, right? But you know what? I'm going to do the method like the water in my house is not hot enough and different things like that, because I want to, you know, do the method as if, you know what, somebody's struggling. Like, you know what, like my house, we don't got hot water like that. You know what? So what can I do? You know what? I'm about to do it as if like I'm like you and I don't have any hot water, and I want to do the hot towel method. So let's just go ahead and let me show you the things that you're gonna have to do. All right, so basically now we go ahead and hurry up and throw it on our head. So you basically just put it on your head exactly how it is. Woo. But yeah, you basically keep it on your head till it isn't hot anymore, which is now it is not. What I like to do as a straight hair waver is I kind of like getting my comb sessions in, you know, after I do the hot towel method before I put the product in. So I guess another thing you would need is a comb, but I mean, don't get on me too much. But let's go ahead and let's get into this comb session. I just wanted to get a light comb session in because my hair has been mounted down for a minute. You know, it's been pretty mounted down, so I wanted to get a nice little comb session in. It's only if you've been compressing and things like that. But if you haven't been compressing, I would not really comb. I would really just go ahead and go straight into putting the product in your hair. But you really just, since my hair is somewhat damp right now, I just want to get like a tad bit. And it's really gonna, also I feel like the hot towel method, it really kind of just, I don't really know how to explain it. It like gets your hair at like it helps like, well, helps distribute products in your hair a lot more evenly. But let's go ahead and get into this brush session. I'm gonna make this brush session quick. Really trying to, you know, not make this video too long because it is a simple method. I don't want to make it too long for you guys. But basically just a quick little brush session. And then, yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's go ahead and let's get into this brush session. Didn't I tell you guys I was trying to make that a quick session? I told you guys I wasn't trying to make this video too long. You know, I'm not trying to make this video too long at all for you guys. But one thing that I did leave out, one thing that is very, very, very important is basically, man, my camera is dirty. All these transitions I'm doing. But, you know, I got my Durag right here. You're going to need a Durag. You're going to need a Durag. You got to compress. You got to really, you know, have that compression. I don't really just letting that product sit in your hair, really absorb because your pores are open and absorb that all natural product in your hair, and really just also because of compression. Got this Durag right here from Durag Wave. It'll be down in the description below if you guys want to go pick it up. I mean, I got a discount code for you guys too. It's right here, Reesie Woods, for 10% off your order. I mean, I'm gonna leave the description because I mean, I'm digging this. Like, look at this. I really dig this. All right, so that's basically the end of the method. It's a simple method to do. You guys can do it in the morning. It'll take like literally 5-10 minutes. No, it won't take 5-10 minutes. It'll literally take you like 5 minutes to do. Probably 7 at max. It depends how long you want the brush session to be. But I just want to go ahead and say real quick, I know you guys see this mic right here. You know, like I told you guys, I'm going to be upgrading the quality. The next thing I'm trying to upgrade is the camera quality. Really want that nice HD, you know, crystal clear image when I'm doing videos. I really like quality. Quality is really my thing. So, you know, if you guys want to help me out, if you guys want to go ahead and donate money, I'll leave my PayPal, CashApp down in the description below. If you guys want to, you know, be generous and donate to your boy so I can upgrade and give you guys the quality a lot faster. But don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, like the video if you like the video, because why don't you like the video? If you like the video, go drop a comment down below, because you guys already know where you guys comments down below. And don't forget to subscribe, because we dropping fire videos just like this one. But hey, it's 360 Woods, and I'm out. Yeah!